Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. Quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You are responsible for your own decisions. So let's get started with today's live stream. Yeah, I was checking gold before going live. You see the level that I drawed yesterday was spot on. So let's quickly check how we are looking today. So this week so far, from the 16th, this was the start of the week until today, I'm up 13, almost 14,000 on my account. So I share all these trades that you see here on my premium. The live stream get only a fraction of the gold trades. Let's check how the trades are looking today. So AUD CAD is still open. AUD NZD, we had TP1 head this morning. We were in drawdown yesterday, if you guys remember. EURUSD I've entered this trade this morning, and I think yeah, the pullback here is over, and I believe we will start trending again upwards. And I shared this trade on my free telegram. It's the first link in the description, and I will be writing the telegram link also on the chat box. So AUDUSD, yeah, we were also in drawdown yesterday, but we are today at still at entry. Euro AUD, yeah, we touched TP1, TP2, and the trade is still open. GBPJPY, this is the second trade that I added yesterday on the GBPJPY. After, yeah, I've sent a trade on GBPJPY on my telegram, my free telegram. We touched the TP1, I believe it was here. We touched TP1, we moved the stop loss to the entry, then price went down and touched our break-even point, and I re-entered here again. We touched the TP1, the TP2, of course the stop loss is at entry. In ZDUSD, we are still in drawdown. The problem is we have some important news in 8 minutes, so yeah, I will not close this trade. I will wait until either we close in profit or a loss. And now let's check gold. So yeah, this morning the trend looks very clean, and yeah, like I told you, we have news in 8 minutes. So I don't know if we will have the opportunity to go into a trade before the news or not. I don't believe so. Yeah. So, and we are at minus 2,600, 800 in open PNL, if you can see here. So let's see what we can do today in the markets. Also, please make sure to like the live stream and subscribe and participate in the chat box, please. Let me quickly write the telegram link. So and yeah, let me see. It won't let me do that. Let me see here. Yes, pin message. Okay, it's written on the chat box. Hello Emmanuel, how are you, bro? So we are approaching the news. The trend looks very good on gold today, but we need to wait for the news to pass. So today is the 18th, so we have this 3 news. So we wait. How much we have? We have 5 minutes left. Smith, hello. No, I'm not late. I think it's my usual time, I believe, or not. Yesterday, yes, I was late, but today I don't think so. And yeah, I put the live streams inside my schedule because I don't have only live streams to do in my life. You know, I trade, I have other things to do, but I will try to be as punctual as I can be. So new 5-minute candle has opened, and let's check today we had some trades closing. Yeah, I think 130 pips. This 30 pips for the AUD/USD and 100 pips for the GBPJPY. Yesterday we had 520 pips, so we are looking good. Let's go back to this week and let's see. Yeah, the drawdown keeps going up. It's normal. So, and yeah, I want to check how much we are up this month. Maybe AUD/JPY will do something like this, because yeah, I still believe that after this higher low, I think we are switching from this pullback that we had here, and we will be continuing going up. So I think it will do something like this. I already shared this trade for free in my free telegram. Euro AUD said nothing. GBPJPY, same thing as the EURUSD something like this. I expect USDJPY, I expect that we either touch the stop loss or it will bounce and continue going up. Let's do music, because for the NZD USD, yeah, we were going up since January, and like you know my trading style, I always follow the trend. But my initial thoughts on gold is I will be looking for, let me see, I don't know, to be honest, because yeah, if you can see here, we started an uptrend this morning. This is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, maybe this will be a higher high, and the price will do something like this. We just need to wait for the news to pass, yeah, to determine which way we will be catching a trade. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know in the chat box. How do you find bias strength in currency pairs, bro? Yeah, the currency pairs are extremely easy to trade with my strategy, because the trend is always yeah, you can always see the trend, how the trend is looking, you know, especially for the AUD pairs. So AUD has been trending up since forever, if you see here. But the sorry guys, but there are some pairs that are not trending. I don't go in. So CAD CHF is trending down since, yeah, the start of the time. CAD GPY, we were trending up. Hello Asgarali, how are you, bro? CAD GPY, we were trending up since forever. Also here we have, you can call it a double bottom for people who use patterns, but it's obvious that CAD GPY has found support here. Let's go quickly to gold. I don't want to miss a trade. So far nothing, and I see the candles are pretty big this morning. Yeah, especially this run. So yeah, nothing currently happening. Let's see. So I think gold will go down for a bit, I believe. Let's see. Hello Limatrick, how are you, bro? Thank you for your likes, guys. Don't forget that you subscribe. We are going super slow on the YouTube growth. I don't know why. I've been streaming, I believe, since 25th of November, and we are just at 149 subscribers. And also on my stats, yeah, most of people are not subscribed. Hello Ornai, how are you, bro? Everything good? Subscribe it, brother. Thank you, Limatrek. So nothing, I can see nothing happening. We've been ranging now since 30 minutes. It's a good spot to sell, but the stop loss will be something like this, above these lows here. But I clearly see that the price is finding a resistance at this level here, but yeah, it doesn't mean that the price will go straight down. We just need to wait. So let me quickly remove this position and see what we can do. You see this wicks, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all of these wicks had failed to break this level here. Waiting game, yes, of course. You will be destroyed if you don't wait, especially on gold. And this is looking good. Maybe we will catch something like this until we get to the EMA. Because I see some big slowing down here. Let's wait now. Let's go to the 1 minute to see what the price will do exactly here. We are still rejecting this level, so a sell here will be risky, but let's see. If we fail to break this level here, I will consider going short. I forgot to send this on Whoop. Mm-hmm. 15, 14. Yeah, we are failing to close above this level here. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, for multiple times. Please do not copy trade me. I will go in at 59, I believe. Yes, I did go in at 59. So this is the trade. Let me see. 59, the TP1 will be at 54. The stop loss will be at 66. 66. 59, 49. And we have 4 minutes for this candle. 66, 59, 49, 39. So let's see. This is the position, as you can see. And let's wait for this candle. I told you, please do not copy trade me because this is too risky. I even didn't share this trade with premium because this was risky. So now we look good. We lost this trade, but no problem, of course. And on the open PNL we at minus 1000. So it seems like gold will continue going up because yeah, I've seen here too much rejection at this level right here, exactly at this red EMA. So I thought maybe I will catch a small movement to this side. We'll be moving the stop loss to the entry after TP1, of course. Then I will buy and continue going with this movement here once we touch the EMA, but it didn't work. Not every trade that you will go in will work, so that's why you need to stay chill. I've been watching you over time. You're so good at gold, but I'd say you shouldn't have entered this trade. Yeah, maybe. I'm not no one is a perfect trader, Sadi. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't be entering this trade, but I saw, like I was explaining, a strong slowing down right here. That's why I've entered. But it's a calculated risk for me. I even didn't share this in my Telegram because I don't share the trades that not A+ setups, you know. But yeah, no problem. Let's check. So we are at minus 550, and this wick looks funny. Let's go to the 1 minute. I will maybe consider buying here again at 58. We are now at 62. But yeah, let's wait, because if we can go in here, we will not be protected by these lows. We will be protected right here, I believe at 58, like I told you. Also, I don't like trading when we go past these EMAs here. Anything can happen, and I took a sell here because I've seen it happening thousands of times. Price simply slows down at the exact level, then completely nuke down. So that's why I've entered. And also that's why I told you guys, do not copy trade me in this trade. 59. Let's see. 58. We are now at 58. I will go in exactly at 58 and see what will happen. This looks like a good setup. I think I did go at 58, yes. So hmm. 49.58. $78. This looks good, to be honest. 49.51. So let me quickly 51, 63. 51. What's happening? This was the setup. Which setup you are talking about, Sadi? This current trade or the previous one? Yeah, sorry guys, the open P&L wasn't showing up, so I think you can see it now. Yeah, another stop loss. Let's wait. So I will add one more entry if I get stopped out. So I will not trade gold anymore, because yeah, these are my rules. Let's wait, I didn't enter yet. Now I've entered at, let's see, at 53. So like I've said, if I get stopped out again, I will not trade further, especially gold. Yeah, 53 was 58, 63, 73. So let me quickly add 46, 58, 46, 63, and 46, 73. So this is my last trade that I will take on gold, especially if I lose again. So let's see. The TP1 will be at 58. The TP2 will be at 63. The TP3 will be at 73. So let's see. My trades, they're running low price here. So what was your stop loss, Limatrek? 49.50. Yeah, let's hope price bounce up. This is my current trade, if you can see. And like I told you, I will not add a single trade if I get stopped out on this one. Yeah, some days, yeah, you can have a week full of profits. Then some days you can have 3 stop losses in a row. So, and we have 3 minutes left for this candle. But the good thing is I don't get angry. I don't try to, yeah, to recover my losses instantly. So my rule is if I lose 3 trades in a row, this is not my day. As easy as that. We can recover tomorrow or the day after or the week after, no problem. I will not just keep trading gold and keep losing, you know. Just a bad day, yeah. Sometimes it happens. And I had this experience multiple times in the past, and that's why I kept losing and I kept being unprofitable, because I tried to, for example, I took 2 losses before this trade. Yeah, I tried to recover these losses that I took instantly, you know. So I just give it 3 chances. If I don't get in profits, I will not trade anymore. Maybe I will trade the Forex pairs, but not gold. Because my first trade here, when I sold here, I think was correct. We had a liquidity grab here. And the second trade, I took it right here. We were also stopped out. I don't know what will happen, if gold will continue going up or not. But I've added another trade. If I lose it, I will not trade again. Yes, this is the most dangerous thing, is revenge trade and FOMO. For example, when you see, when this candle, let me explain, when this candle was so big like this, yeah, you say to your mind, you will say, yeah, gold is exploding, gold is exploding, and you buy, you go in, you put your stop loss way close, and you get stopped out, you know. So let's go to the 1 minute and see what's happening here. This also doesn't look good. And Limatric, are you still in the trade, or you were stopped out at 50? price doesn't want to break the EMA back. So we had the break here and now it's rejecting this EMA. But let's see. I just managed the lot for risky setup. What do you mean? For a risky setup, when I say do not copy trade me, you should not copy trade me at all. But 0.01, not a problem, of course. Nothing happened in the news, I believe. Yes. And now price is super slow. We have 3 minutes left. Let's wait for this candle to be over, then decide. The problem, it's not a problem. So yeah, today I'm at minus 10,000, I believe. I think, yeah, minus 10k loss. So no one shows this on the live streams. They show you only wins after wins, you know? And on premium, we had 130 pips in the morning. And now I've added that trade that had a stop loss that we are at minus 80 in premium. And if we got stopped out, it will be minus 290. We will be still profitable this week, of course. Approaching the last minute of this 5-minute candle. Let's hope that it will break to the upwards. But now I see the candle is still rejecting this EMA. 58 seconds left. Come on. Come on, come on, let's go. Doesn't want to break it at all for now. Come on. Come on, we need to break this. Come on. Come on. Like I say always, the last 1 minute of the 5-minute candle is where the price moves the most. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep going up. Let's hope we find a new support here on this EMA. So it's a good thing we broke this EMA. Let's hope that the price will continue going up. We have 30 pips left for TP1. Of course, we will move the stop loss to the entry if TP1 is hit. What's going on with the other trades? TCAD, DNZD, DGPY, EURUSD, GBPJPY, nothing. NZDUSD, we are approaching the stop loss. And for gold, we have 30 pips. We are 30 pips away from the TP1. Then we can move the stop loss to the entry and have a risk-free trade. Today, FOMC meeting, yes. I believe today, or yeah, yes, at 7 p.m. we still have some time. And thank you, Smith, for that reminder. You are the news guy, because on TradingView, you see here. Let me see. 7 p.m. you see, yeah, FOMC. Come on. Come on. We have 10 pips. We are 10 pips away from TP1. Come on, come on, come on. We will see some movement. Good. So TP1 is hit. Let me move my stops to the entry at 53. So stops at 53. So stop loss is at entry and break even. One minute, come on, keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. We are at the last 1 minute. Keep pushing up. There is a strong push from the sellers. 30 seconds. Keep pushing up. The last minute is when the price moved the most and give clear indications. I don't like this wick so far, but let's hope price will keep pushing up. Three, two, one. So this candle is not bad. It's not that bad. We have a big, a medium wick to the upside, but yeah, let's hope it will continue going up. So Come on. Are we still in the trade? Yes, stop loss is at break even, of course. Let's get to the TP2, please. Come on. Two minutes. Do you guys have any questions? Price is acting. Let's keep pushing. We are approaching the last 1 minute. You can see here 1, 25, 24, 23. So we will see some action at in 18 seconds, I think, or 10 seconds. But I don't like this. I just don't want my break-even point to get hit. Come on. I don't trust trading view prices, you know, that's why I keep going to my broker. The good thing is we still finding support on that white EMA that you can see here. The bad thing is the EMA is so close to our break-even point. That's the problem. I believe we will be stopped out at break-even, but let's hope not. Yeah, we are out, I think. Not yet, but we will be out now. Come on. Let's see this. current setup. Let's wait for this 5-minute candle to be over. So yeah, I started the stream exactly here, so we didn't get any opportunities, clear opportunities, you know. Price kept playing here since starting the live stream, so it happens from time to time. You can't do nothing about it. So let's check something. 49. So we still have some support. I didn't enter yet, but I'm considering. So yeah, also if I lose this trade, I will not continue trading today on gold, of course. But yeah, let's take a look on the other trades that I'm in. Yeah, the Forex pairs do not move that fast in compared to gold. Let's check now. Yeah, I still believe that gold will go up. Touching the break-even point was frustrating, to be honest. I hate that. I hate seeing the price touching my break-even then exploding. Yeah, you see? Yeah, my entry was here at 53. This was the trade. So we touched the TP1 here. Then price tapped on my break even, got me out from the trade, then came back to TP1 level. Yeah, gold will continue going up, but I think it's too late to enter here. Yeah. Let's hope that we get a new entry here at 54 or something. So I will wait for this 5-minute candle to have an entry. If not, I will end the live stream and we will meet tomorrow. Okay, guys? I'm now at 57. Yeah, it needs to go down again one more time. Yeah, we can continue tomorrow. I will just give it another shot on this candle here that we have. So if I see the price exploding up, I will simply cut the live stream. Because yeah, I don't get any emotion when I got stopped out, but when I see that I've entered here, I had the perfect entry at 53, touch TP1, move the stop loss to the entry because it's mandatory. You cannot keep your stop loss. You need to secure your trade. Then the trade get back exactly to the entry, and now it's 60 pips away. So yeah, you hate that. I have 2 minutes left for this candle. Yeah, I don't believe we will get an entry. Let's wait. Let's simply wait. Which one are you talking about, Limatric? Which color? Or all of them? So I have a strong sore neck. Yeah, sore neck. Today I have neck pain. I think I slept in a wrong position. Yeah. So today I minus 9,400 this month. See, I'm up 36,000, so not bad. I said I will go, but yeah, I want to see what will happen now exactly at this candle, because if we print another bullish candle, I will not go in. But if we go to these levels here, I will maybe consider entering again. At least we need to get to the 55 or 56, but price doesn't want that. are at 57, 56. Come on. Come on, come on. 57 again. 58. 2 minutes left. Seven. So I will enter the last trade at, I think 57 was my entry, and let's call it a day. 57. So like this. 57, 50, 62. Entering my stops. $77. Let's see. This is the trade. Let's hope that we don't get stopped out again. So let me quickly bring up the TP levels. 62. This is TP1. TP2 is 67. And TP3 is 77. Yeah, let's see. This is the last chance that I will give to gold today. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, 5 pips, great. So I will move my stops to the entry, like you know, guys. So the entry was at 57. And let's hope we get a proper trade on gold. Go in full TP. Yeah, I will write stop loss at break even again here. And let's see. So you can see the stop loss is here at break even. This is the TP2 and this is the TP3 at 77, I believe. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. We have 40 pips left for the TP2. We have 50 seconds left for this 5-minute candle to close. And let's hope price keep pushing upwards. Where's the thing? Give me a second, guys. I'm still here with you. So I'm back. Come on. What's going on? Nah, stock market open. Let's take a look on the Nasdaq. Yeah. So this will be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being with me in this live stream. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's meet tomorrow for a new live stream.